a Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, and welcome back to A Texan Shaves. We have one from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements today, and that is Enlightener well. Look at that crazy hollow, man. That's such a very flashy hollow there. I have the splash, and I do have the star jelly. Enlightener well is going to be released this weekend. It is a seasonal favorite. Always looking forward to this one, and what I'm really looking forward to is that cube this year. A little bit about Enlightener well. So this is from the sales blurb when I purchased mine, actually, from 2024. Let's start off by stating up front, this is not an homage to Irish summer, nor Irish winter, neither Irish fall. I think you get it. The scent profile is bergamot, blood orange, white rose, pine, lavender, cedar, and musk. A citrus blast into a floral, herbaceous, woody bouquet of epic. Do I have a classic, clean, refreshing scent for you? Enlightener well doesn't roll off the tongue like the sing-song name of the creamy, whirly green bar of soap we pay homage to, but at least it's historical, no? Look at this as a dual toast to St. Paddy, the Enlightener of Ireland, and a tip of me cap to a certain nostalgic Irish time of year. If ever there was a time machine that could send you back, it's this mesmerizing green scent of all that is good and vernal in the world of Ireland, in this world and Ireland. Take a trip back to a more innocent time when all that was fresh and new came in a green box and magically appeared when you whistled. Absolutely. Now, can't say it in the sales blurb, but this is an homage to Irish Spring, the bar soap. And we all, well, at least I grew up, that was like almost the only bar soap we used for most of my childhood was Irish Spring. There was always a bar of Irish Spring in the bathroom. Man, that smells so good. For the brush, I could not find my Peregrino. I wanted a green brush. I am recording this on St. Patrick's Day. But I have my Turning by Tans, beautiful glow-in-the-dark green brush. I set with a G5C. But another reason why I wanted to make this video, some of you have seen my post, but I got really lucky. I found an amazing lot of Gillette razors. There were 5 razors in the lot. I spent a little over $200 on this lot, and the reason being was because this was in that lot. So broken down, I paid $46 per razor. This, of course, is a Gillette toggle, and we're going to go ahead and open it up. And as you can see, it is in wonderful condition. Has a little bit of plating wear on the caps and on the bars, but other than that, it is immaculate. It was a bit grungy when I got it. I'm going to load it here. And let's see, we're going to start at about a 7, I think. Load that up. I have not shaved with it yet, so that's why I wanted to use this razor today. And I gave it a bath, scrubbed it real good with some Dawn and a toothbrush. Then I hit it with the Razor Emporium polishing cloth. And lo and behold, it is gorgeous and immaculate. I got that for a steal. We all know the current prices of those. I think they're outlandish anyway. So I don't feel too bad for the price I paid. I'm very happy I found it. So we're going to see how it shaves. Let's get this going. Get the brush loaded. Sorry guys, I'm kind of just throwing this video together last minute and I don't feel like I'm prepared. But we're going to load this up. More than enough for PAA. Most always more than enough. Now, I don't know what the determining factor is for PAA side labels, but this one has a unique side label. Maybe that's a question I need to ask. I wonder if Cube knows. Let's get this out of the way. All right, glasses off. And the face wet. Oh, wonderful. I mean, not much needs to be said about this scent. It comes out every year. If you're not familiar with Irish Spring, this soap nails it, but takes it a bit further, in my opinion. You start off right there, but then it just goes beyond as well. Absolutely love this fresh, wonderful fragrance. PAA has a knack for making these things wearable. Let's get some water on that. Beautiful. Love it. All right. Oh, I'm excited. My first shave with my Gillette toggle. Warm it up. I have about 2 days growth. Have it set on a 7. Here we go. This is a first use Cajun Blade. Beautiful. Now I did think about sending this into Razor Emporium just for a tune-up service. Maybe get Matt's assessment of what he thinks. I'm pretty sure if I know Matt, he's going to say he probably wouldn't do much with it because of the condition it is. I had another razor he said that about, which was a Fat Boy I bought that was in really good condition. But I paid more for that Fat Boy than I did this toggle. Shading fantastic. Wonderful. Love it. Get ready for pass 2. Oh man. So crisp, clean. It's such a freshie. I love this fragrance. I'll tell you what, honestly, I have the bath soap too, and I've had a couple of them. I have another one. I haven't broke it out, but when I use the first one, I put the bath soap side by side with an actual bar of Irish Spring. Now, I don't know if they've changed anything from the 70s when it was always in our bathroom in the early 80s, but I preferred PAAs. Not just because of the quality of the lather and just bathing with it, but just the fragrance as well. All right, I'm going to leave it on a 7. Seven's feeling like the sweet spot right now. I might still send this in just for a tune-up. Just because you never know what's going on the inside, cleanliness-wise. And I don't feel like trying to take one of these apart. No, no, no. Leave it to the experts. shaving remarkably well. Now I have gone back to the Freyer razor so I can finish using all the other plates and stuff, and I was going to use the Freyer for this video, but this razor's been singing at me and staring at me ever since I got it home. You know what? I was only going to do 2 passes, but I'm going to go for a 3rd. Enjoying this shave too much. Every time I lather, oh, it just smells so good. I'm gonna get a little more water on this. Beautiful. All right. I'm going to leave it on 7. I'm happy with where it's at. It's great. Not the smoothest, but just as good as my Fat Boy. Maybe, actually, I think it's a little better, honestly. I need to do a side by side. I don't know if there is a difference between them, but it's been a long time since I've used my Fat Boy or my Slim as well. Beautiful. All right, gonna get a rinse, come back up for the splash. My final thoughts. Be right back. Oh, outstanding. When I was rinsing, I did feel a little bit of irritation. I got more lather on me than ever before. Just right under here, along my beard line. Usually it's down in here, so I'm not sure what I did there. So I'm blaming that on me, because that's never usually an issue there. It's usually lower in this spot and in this spot, and those, nothing. So I think I might have hit the angle wrong or something there. Oh, BBS. It's a little bit in those areas that I'm normally irritated in with certain razors. Yeah. It is a damn fine shave. Everywhere else is completely BBS. Oh, feel some lather back behind my ear. Thought I saw some blood spots on my cloth here, like I might have had a weeper, but nope. All right. Time for the splash. Man, that's so good. A lot more of the citrus comes out in the splash. Definitely you get those top notes immediately. Oh, that is so good. Rose and lavender. I love that, you know, in a bar of soap, I can't pick out notes. It's just that soap, you know. But and same thing with a tub of soap, and there's a reason, because soap hides those notes. But being able to smell this in all of its individual layers is just astounding. You know, you don't think that Irish Spring could smell like this, but this is it. Oh, that is so good. I am going to use a little bit of the star jelly on my neck in those little areas I was just talking about. It's going to go right up under my beard line here. Perfect. All right, this little beauty. What do you think? I am so stoked I found this for the price I did. Gorgeous, shaved, phenomenal. I need to give it a head shave, see how it does there. And it's gonna be hard for me to go back to the Freya. I want to shave with this again, but I'm gonna have to put this up for a bit so I can finish my review of the Freya and move on. I also have the new proof razor. That's a whole other story. Y'all know how I am about the proof, but for some reason I keep trying the new one because I want to like that razor so much. Find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next time on the Texan Shaves. Oh, I also heard there might be something special releasing at PAA along with Enlightener. Well, goodbye.